With growing urgency, we've come to realize that we can't take nature's abundance for granted. If we're going to keep BC beautiful, we have to work harder for sustainable development. Since 1925, FORED BC has taken a leading role in that cause.
We're trying to provide citizens, and when I say citizens, it's everybody, it's young people, it's First Nations, it's seniors, with the tools they need to incorporate sustainability principles into their decision making. And sustainability encompasses economic, social, and environmental goals. And it's everything from your consumer spending habits to land use decision making.
To make it happen, they work with a variety of partners throughout BC.
Some of the partners that we work with include the Aboriginal Forest Industries Council and the Spirit Bear Youth Coalition, which is led by Simon Jackson. He actually is the chairman of our board of directors, so I actually report to a youth chairman, which is really exciting. And given that we do work with youth, I think it makes sense to have youth in this kind of a leadership role. And plus, Simon inspires a lot of the youths that we do work with to these kinds of positions of leadership in their communities. So we're bringing in First Nations mentors. We work with a lot of First Nations who are willing to do that, and they actually are living success stories of how to run a successful and sustainable business. So there really are measurable milestones that are happening in communities as a result of this type of educational work that we do. On top of that, I should mention, in addition to the education side, we also do a lot of environmental conservation and rehabilitation. We have 2 forest firefighting crews that fight forest fires all over the province, and when they're not fighting forest fires, they go into schools and into communities and do a lot of fire prevention activity with the kids, and it's always a big hit.
The biggest reward is seeing young people realize they can take charge of their future.
The young people actually realize they do have a voice, they do have the means, they have the tools, they just have to use them.